Whipsnade Zoo is the largest zoo in the UK, but there's one enclosure staff refused to patrol alone. In 2018, motion sensors in the elephant paddock began triggering long after midnight. Security assumed it was wind or stray animals, but the cameras always showed the same thing. A shape standing by fence, motionless, watching. When a night keeper went to check, his radio cut out the moment he stepped inside. The others heard static, then one faint sound. 3 slow knocks on metal. When they reached him minutes later, the paddock was empty. The elephants had backed into the corner, silent, staring at the same spot near the fence. They replayed the CCTV from that night, but the footage stopped at 12:11 a.m. just before the keeper vanished from frame. When it returned, Shape was gone, and his torchlight was lying on the ground. The next morning, they found prints in the mud, too wide to be human, too shallow to belong to any animal in the zoo. A week later, engineers inspected the paddock wiring and found the motion sensors had been rewired from underground. The cables led out beneath the fence, into the trees, and ended in fresh soil, as if something had dragged them down from below. Now, each night at 12:11, the same sensor activates, and keepers hear the same 3 knocks echo through the dark. Slow, heavy, like something still waiting by the fence. Save and share the video with a friend, so I know you got this far.